Hi guys! And today we're going to make slime out of these two shaving cream. So I got this one. I don't know because my mum bought it for me. But Finn. And I got this one. I got this one from Tesco's. So you get your borax with hot water. Wait, stop. Stop, Burns! And then you get your bowl and your spoon. First, you put the glue in, of course. It's made out of glue, slime, you know. Hot. Not that much. So take your spoon out because, you know.
You hear that? No, listen. Listen there.
Yeah.
Wait.
Oh no.
And 1 minute sharp.
What is that?
Punching grapes.
Okay, get a spoon of this. You pour it in there, and look at it, and then you just move it. I don't really do this. I do it. So drops of it, maybe drops of it, and then you need your spoon again. So your mixing spoon, and then you mix. And if it gets liquid, it's still good. But if you mix it and then it gets hard and groups together, it's slime basically. Okay.
Sub and leave a like.
Sub means subscribe. Okay, I'm gonna first do it with this one. So Finn, can you get the camera?
Subscribe!
So you can see me now.
Finn,
and
say
then
God, turn your lucky
Finn, hold it like this.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, Finn. Stop, Finn. Okay, like.
Eat my grapes though.
Okay.
How do I eat my grapes?
Yeah, this is so awkward. Okay, there we go. Now leave still. Keep still. So you get your foam cream. Shake it, shake it, shake it. It's
Like graffiti.
Yeah. And then oh my gosh. I really need to shake them. Shake, shake, shake.
You're crazy. We all go crazy for moose milk.
Okay, still. Finn, you're showing your arm. I think I should do this actually. Oh gosh. Okay, Finn, can you hold the camera, please? Not like that. Like that. Yeah. Leave it. Okay, that is enough. So I get my spoon, take it off like that, then put the lid back on.
It stinks so badly.
Okay, now I'm gonna hold it. So then you mix it up. It's gonna be foam now. It's gonna be so foamy. So anyways, sorry for that. Oh no! Sorry for that. Oh no! Let me pick that up. Finn, can you?
We're the wimpy kids right now.
Can you mix it up, Finn?
Hey look! 4 minutes. Yeah.
Stop.
Yeah.
Stop.
Oh yeah.
Stop,
A blur on the screen. No, there's a virus.
Okay, so anyways, let's mix it up.
Yeah.
It's still liquid for me. Maybe it's pale. Maybe it's not. So yeah, so much. Oh my gosh, it's sticking to
Are
the
we going
walls.
to do this private or public? Or
And this is going to be on YouTube. Of course, it's going to be live, not live, but on public. We're not going to put it on, like, why are you saying, oh, please subscribe and stuff? And then we all just look at it and we're like, oh.
okay, let's subscribe! Yay!
You know, this is going to put you in public, and this is going to be really, really stupid, okay? Finn is really stupid sometimes. Stop, Finn.
Sub to Jeff the Moose.
Finn.
Yeah, sub to Jeff the Moose.
Moose. You want to sub to Moose?
Sub to Jeff the Moose.
Oh, Jeff. Oh, Jeff. Hi, Jeff. I've got you now. I'm just joking. And if you are watching,
Seriously, sub to Jeff. And leave a like.
like
on every
seriously,
single video.
like they Moosecraft and
It's Jeff the Moose.
Unspeakable are really funny, and Moose and Shark Boy is very funny. I would say you subscribe to them because they're really funny, and
Jeff the Moose.
and Dan to the end.
All coming to Smash Raya. I'm dying, please help me. Knock her down. No.
It's kinda like getting them together. If I'm
No, that really looks like the Flash look.
really. I'm putting like all my borax in here. Quickly mix. Oh my gosh. Yep, it's actually coming together now.
Food colouring.
We're not gonna put food colouring actually in because I don't want to, but we're gonna put some like pen in there. Don't worry, guys. If you don't have any food colouring, move out the way. If you don't have any food colouring, don't worry. If you have Sharpies or colouring pencils, if they're really good colouring pencils, don't do that. Don't you dare put your best colourings in slime because maybe they will stick. But Sharpies and other kind of things are going to actually be good. But Sharpies are great, I should say. They're not that great.
Alright.
Stop, Finn. Stop. Seriously, stop. Please stop. Please stop.
Free time.
Oh, thank you.
Free time.
Anyways, show the camera to this because it's so good and looks so nice.
This is what you've all been waiting for. Boom.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. So good.
Film this. You're not even filming it. This. Wait, but can you hold it now?
Can we stop filming now?
No. We're gonna have to do two, Finn.
Oh my god.
Okay, let's put this over here because
Why two? Why do we need two?
I want to see which one is better. So I'll do this, and when it's ready, I'll actually going to see. So see you in a bit. Well, yeah, in a bit. Bye. Sorry you saw my hand then, and when Finn put his hand in there, but it's actually getting together now. So I'm going to put it on the floor. Not on the floor, but on the table. Let me move this down so you guys can see. And I sit down camera. There we go. Okay, so anyways, I can't use my hand, this hand, because it's actually really, it really hurts, and I cut it at school. And yeah, didn't get well then. And I couldn't really write that well and stuff. Rubbish. When you get hurt, horrible. Like I'm using all my body right now, and I don't even need to. It's already done. Okay, let's get this out. Oh my gosh. It's like so sticky. Still like slime. Like still like glue. Let's put this on the floor. Or on the table, I should say. I'm always saying floor now. I think I should pour the whole thing in here actually. And always remember, guys, if you're doing this with your hands, with borax, don't put your fingers in your mouth or don't eat right after. You always need to wash your hands after because borax can actually kill you. And yeah, right. So I'm gonna get my hands in there. Oh my god, I shouldn't have done that. I should have done that. I'm gonna pour some of it in there. It is actually making it really liquidy now, so I think I should. So look, it's actually let's put some shaving cream in. Finn, can you help me?
No.
Why?
Because
Finn's grumpy. Can you open this?
no.
Why?
Because you can do it yourself.
No, I can't.
Yes, you can.
Seriously. Okay. Get up. Okay, let's go mix it. So I am using this one. I'm still using it. So I actually thought of this now. In the next video we can do this slime. So yeah. So this is done, I think. Let's put it on the floor. Table. And over the table. This is going to be a really sticky slime.
Or, you know what?
What?
Frozen slime. That'll be the weirdest thing ever.
What happens if there was a kind of thing? Oh no, 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 oh no. Oh no, guys, it's coming out of the table. It's going out the table. Finn, help me, help me, help me.
Oh,
No!
no. This is your idea, not mine.
Yep. It was actually my idea. Let's put this. Oh my gosh, this is a really spreading slime. This is not really a fail for me, but oh no. Go over here. Oh my gosh, it's a mess on the table now. Oh my god.
Yeah, this is all your idea, not mine.
Gosh.
Fine, can
Finn! Finn! Don't do this now, Finn. It's good. Oh, Finn, don't go right next to the table. Oh shit, oh shit.
Well, it's not my fault.
Sorry, guys. Okay, so I'm actually going to end this video here. So,
Bye.
guys, bye.